Hello, class 7th. Today we are going to start our chapter 8 in moral science, your roots, your family. Your family is only your roots. As you grow into adolescence, you begin to spend more and more time with friends and at school. जैसे जैसे आप बड़े होते हो, आप अपने फ्रेंड्स और अपने स्कूल के क्लासमेट्स के साथ ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करना स्टार्ट कर देते हो. Your natural biological bonds with the family are loosened by your newfound feeling of independence and self-sufficiency. As you grow up, you start feeling like you have become elder now and you do not need anyone in any decision related to your life. You feel low in taking of someone's help. You feel like you have become independent and you can do anything and you don't need your family. And repeated chiding by parents. Chiding means to find faults by parents. कि parents आपकी छोटी छोटी बातों पे गलतियां निकालना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. Like you don't listen them at all. You don't wake up early. You talk a lot to your friends. You do not give time enough time to your family members. Even you don't respect them. तो इस तरह से पेरेंट्स इस तरह से फॉल्ट निकालते हैं और आपको भी गुस्सा आता है. ओके, सो repeated chiding by parents invariably results in studied indifference and even resentment. और जब पेरेंट्स जो फॉल्ट आपके निकालते हैं तो उससे आप में क्या आता है, आप में रिसेंटमेंट आता है, आप में फीलिंग ऑफ अनहैप्पीनेस, फीलिंग ऑफ एंगर आप में डेवलप होती है. In such a scenario, it is for the teachers and parents to take the lead and be a bit more understanding and patient with their children. On your part, never forget that it is your family which loves you, needs you and stands by you at all times. But children, तुम्हें ये नहीं भूलना चाहिए कि ये तुम्हारी फैमिली ही है जो तुम्हें लव करती है और तुम्हारी नीड्स को पूरा करती है और हमेशा तुम्हारे सपोर्ट में तुम्हारे साथ होती है. Making little sacrifices for your comfort. You just imagine which type of sacrifices your parents are doing to give you more and more comfort in your life. They get up so early. Mother does all household chores and father gets involved in earning money. Nowadays, mothers also are an earning member in family, and both of the parents and grandparents, they all try their level best to give you all comforts in your life and well-being each day without complaint, without putting you under any obligation. Obligation means duty. आपको कोई ड्यूटी नहीं देते हैं. To respond in kind, आपसे बदले में कुछ मांगते भी नहीं है. Your family is your most reliable support system which nurtures and nourishes you into adulthood. Family life is not a computer program that runs on its own. It needs continual input from everyone. Family life कोई कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम नहीं है. इसमें हर एक के इनपुट्स होने चाहिए. मीन्स हर एक का एफर्ट होना चाहिए to make your family life better and better each day. Now let us begin the story of a boy, Sumit. Sumit, a 7th grade student, was of middle class stock. His parents, being teachers in a private school, committed to provide him with quality education. और शायद आप सभी लोगों के और मैक्सिमम लोगों के पेरेंट्स इसी तरह से रात दिन एफर्ट्स करते हैं टू प्रोवाइड यू क्वालिटी एजुकेशन. सो सुमित के पेरेंट्स भी उसे क्वालिटी एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड करने के लिए कमिटेड थे, रात दिन एफर्ट्स करते थे. His parents put him in an elite school in town, though they could barely afford the expenses involved. Barely means hardly. His father took tuitions after school to earn the extra money, while his mother cared for the family, cooked, washed, oversaw means to supervise Sumit and his younger sister's studies, while holding her job at the school. Sumit's classmates and friends came from well-to-do families. They had possessions that Sumit could only dream of, since his family's financial status did not allow luxury and extravagance. Extravagance means excessive expenditure. So उसके क्लासमेट्स जानते थे कि वो एक मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से है और वो केवल ड्रीम ऑफ कर सकता है, सपने ही देख सकता है, बिकॉज उसकी फैमिली उसे अलाउ नहीं करेगी. उसका फैमिली का फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस ऐसा नहीं है कि वो कुछ एक्स्ट्रा एक्सपेंडिचर कर सके. Nevertheless, he felt himself getting emotionally alienated at home. Alienated means isolated. वो जब घर पे होता तो वो अपने आप को वो सबसे वो आइसोलेट ही रखता था, मीन्स वो सबसे अलग हटके ही रहता था. He craved the company of his friends and began spending more time outdoors. Craved means desired. So he started spending more and more time outdoors with his friends only. He felt embarrassed when entertaining friends at home. जब भी घर पे फ्रेंड्स को बुलाना होता था तो वो embarrassed फील करता था, वो चिढ़ता था. As he had seen their lavish lifestyle and opulence homes. Opulence means luxurious homes. तो उसने उनकी luxurious lifestyle और उनके घर देखे थे. He felt belittled when his simple living parents seemed non-entities when compared to the suave and extensively attired parents of his friends. Suave means confident and attired means dressed. So जब वो बेलिटल फील करता था, वो लो फील करता था जब वो अपने फ्रेंड्स के पेरेंट्स और उनकी जो लाइफस्टाइल थी उससे अपने पेरेंट्स की लाइफस्टाइल को जब वो कंपेयर करता था तो वो लो फील करता था. What he had failed to notice in the sparkle of his friend's company was that his father had stopped drinking his usual glass of milk at bedtime. उसके फादर ने सोते समय जो मिल्क का ग्लास पीते थे वो भी उन्होंने स्टॉप कर दिया था, so that he can give more and more comfort to his son. His mother started to sew his sister's clothes at home and did away with the domestic help they always had. तो और मदर उसकी सिस्टर के क्लोथ्स भी घर पे ही स्टिच करती थी. His parents hardly ever touched the fruits they bought, letting the children eat them. Sumit was too engrossed in school. Engrossed means to completely engage the attention of in school and friends to observe these details. He left for school in the morning, returning at noon. He had a hurried lunch. बहुत जल्दी जल्दी वो lunch करता था before going off for tuitions. Came back at 4 and went out with his friends. By the time he came back, he was too tired to do anything except eat and go to bed. जब आता था फ्रेंड्स के पास से वो इतना ज़्यादा टायर्ड होता था कि सिर्फ वो खाना खाता था और go to bed. Sunday and holidays were spent with his friends at their homes. And Sundays और holidays को भी वो अपना maximum time उसके friends के घर पे ही spend करता था. So children, please listen all the words and all the sentences which came here in this story, because in exam the questions will be asked from mid of the chapter. So read this story carefully and try to get. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through your comments, and remaining story we will complete in our next video. Till then, goodbye, stay safe.